Good morning. Today we're doing Skoda. This spot you can see, and the problem of this one, I'm going to show you. If you can see, when we're going to put the diagnostic, and then you're going to see this engine light is on. You can see here. I want to close the door, and you can see here engine light is on. And when I am trying to I want to see what's make of the gearbox. We go to the ECU information. You can see here OGC. That's the OGC type gearbox on there. DSG DQ381. And this is the part number on the top. Okay, the problem of this one, if you can see, we're going to diagnose the car. Then you look, this is coming P173600 and P173600. Position sensor for clutch 2 electrical malfunction, electrical error. That's the common problem of this one, and the reason of this clutch 2 and unintentionally closed because of the sensor not giving a signal. So when it's showing clutch 2, it means pressure sensor 2 is not working properly, or clutch 1. When clutch 1 is showing, it means the clutch 1 position sensor not working. So that's the common problem, and is not shifting and not going sometime in reverse. So if you have the problem of like that, that's the common problem. Sometime is coming P173500 position sensor for clutch 1 electrical error, and is saying clutch 1 close intentionally. This is the problem, and this is a common problem. And engine light is come on, and car is not working properly. Sometime is moving, switch it off, switch it on, and then try to start. When it go hot, then problems come. And if you erase the code, car working 2-3 days, and then the problem will come back. So if you have the problem of like that, we will recondition your mechatronic unit. You have to bring the car to us, and car will be ready into 3 to 4 hours. And we are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. My phone number is 07402536382, and we are in Hounslow. So you can contact me anytime. You can see we are erasing the code, and when you erase the code will gone, and no code anymore on there, but the car have still same problem. And you can see the engine light is go off. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact me on WhatsApp, my same number, and we are in Hounslow, 167 Hanworth Road, Hounslow Motor Limited. You can see our good review on there. Car will be ready in 3 to 4 hours. You can bring the car, and we can sort it out your problem. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.